I'm reacting to Vybz Kartel most viewed music videos. I think it's 74 million views. It's crazy how Vybz Kartel doesn't have a song with 100 million views though. On YouTube. It's crazy. But anyways, if I react to that, it's guess it. It's on the screen. No, it's not on the screen. Guess which Vybz Kartel song has the most views. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First of all, I want to say thank you for the love and support you guys have been showing me, for subscribing to the channel. Guys, our fans, big up on yourself. Everybody who has subscribed to the channel, big up on yourself. Like, so there. If you guys comment on my videos, you can see a name right there. So comment on this video to see a name in the next video. And see a comment in the next video. Anyways, I want to say thank you guys for 4,000 subscribers again. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal for this year. So make me happy. Subscribe. Touch the like button. Now you have read the title. I'm reacting to Vybz Kartel most viewed music videos. I think it's 74 million views. It's crazy how Vybz Kartel doesn't have a song with 100 million views though. On YouTube. It's crazy. But anyways, if I react to that, it's guess it. It's on the screen. No, it's not on the screen. Guess which Vybz Kartel song has the most views. Na. Did we get it right? Yay! So why your pandemic could cheat something there? Anyways, it's summertime. Summertime. Everybody have. Anyways, ready. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, support the thing there, people. You see me where I go for right now, you know. So you see me I say, so take your granny phone and mother phone, everybody phone and subscribe. Ready? Summertime, because see what go on. And guys, the most lit reactions over here. Alright, ready. And the video now play. Go through.
Cool, I gonna love this, you know.
Why?
Pool party.
If I eat with a bitch, we average. Oh Lord. Now back when the video show, we know say them girl look good enough. We know say them girl they are top shot at road, you know. You see me I say, what is? You know say them girl they are top shot at road, you know. But anyways, I go through what I go see. I look at all of the girls them. How they classify as hot girls back then compared to now. You see me I say? Levels now man. Ready forward. On Facebook I go on so strong.
Summertime. Hey, every man say if come along.
Go
for your sun tan in the summer sun.
Okay.
If you want bleach, go back home.
Oh, you guys on the bleach of them, Addy? I know you guys probably see me talking and you see like, you see all of that? The smoke. It's cool. I'm in misery for those who don't know. Yeah. But, if I sit on the bleach of them, Addy, oh, you guys say on the bleach? Well, I forgot to say no bleach, you know. I forgot to say a cake soap I use, you know. Sorry, boss, sorry. Got you.
Your umbrella got the sun about.
Yeah.
The young girl, them a bring it down.
Yeah.
In a bikini, them in a pretty tongue. You know for shy girl.
She hot though, me not lie. We're not being sarcastic. She hot, don't it, people? Got you.
Bring it come. If
You have a fool man, get the ball. What more we come from, you know?
Pretty girl does a
Pose like damn, you know. Me not lie. Oh, we see that video and that girl they look bad. She still look bad, you know. Me not, no joke, she still look bad. Miss Ray say abs. That girl that she have 2 neighbor ring. Levels. Got you.
Tongues them a rub them
Done, you know.
Inna the shade with straight vibes from me now.
So where she a drink and the whole buckle down her throat like pre-this? Pre-this, right there.
Inna the shade.
Why she a drink and the whole buckle down her throat like, I want to go on. You bad though. I say, I don't in you.
Straight vibes from me now.
Yeah.
Uptown full of fun, you know.
Why?
We are going on. Cherry Garden. Dream weekend coming on.
Big Foot. Jackson.
Smash, I got done, you know.
Oh, here we go. Summertime is. I wish I summertime right now. Me attack and. I wish me there Jamaica right now for real. Because them places come finger them and them white and cool up. Like them old people, something there. But anyways, got you, summertime.
Summertime is here.
Go there, girl.
School is closed. We feel the vibes, you know. Summertime in a boom.
Who remember when them acting used to beat? Or them when I get fitted? I fitted them. No, we both fitted. I fitted them near man and snap back, man. Who remember when them acting used to beat, dog? Man, them used to, oh, me want to fit in, me I go spend 1.5 per a hat or 2 grand or 3 grand per one hat. I heard nobody now wear no hat. If I wear a hat for my body here, anyways. But I say me the hat I certainly look on all the way. It's bigger than our head. One big old hat, but with small head. No man, got you though.
Summertime in a Portmore.
Yeah,
Summertime in a Kingston.
yeah.
Summertime in a country.
Oh gosh.
Summertime in a my city.
Yeah, piece of she are easy. Look on her. She the up close and personal pan bad boy the son. She a rub up on bad. She a feel everything go on right the son. She a feel. She a feel. Tell me say she not feel it. Just tell me. People. Jano. Got you. Pool party.
If I even the beach, me I feel reach.
A summertime. Watch them man.
90 degrees
Woo.
in the shade.
Temperature turn up.
Whitey a tan till skin burn.
Why
Black
yo?
girl a rub till.
Oh my gosh. Ladies. Anyways people. Intermission time. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for the most lit reactions. Like if a music video drop now, you get the reaction 1 minute after. I saw my fast out. We upload videos every day. Them fees me gonna miss a day right now. My day one viewers them no fees me gonna miss it. No post yet, you know. Watch me out on the man. I'm there. Anyways, like the video forward.
Vein come up. Time to time
All the rainbow turn up.
Man a roll out.
Bicycle.
Bike you no see. Man a roll out.
Car and the bus and the jeep.
You walk foot dogs them strolling.
Wow.
Grab a girl body and start rolling.
Party we going all night long.
Right through the day. Me just see a
The song is a legendary song. The song can still play right now on a dog. Summertime. The song is not dead. You're not dead yet. But watching this video right now, yo, like so that me I feel to all me react to things. This come like my first time I watch it honestly. Come on, a long time watch it, I don't remember it for real. But I look at it and say right now it just feel like it's a new song. Isn't me? This can start play again. This isn't it? The next summer it's again, damn. I like it. Go through Addy.
pretty twin gone with De Niro and TJ. Oh, here we go.
Summertime is here, you know.
It's a holiday. School is closed. We feel the vibes, you know.
Summertime in a wow.
Summertime in a Kingston.
Yeah.
Summertime in a country.
Summertime in a my scheme. Next month time I have to address now. So I'm not pause the video upon the man. Wait. Now pause the video upon the man. Where on? Alright, yeah. As me I say. So realize that 2020 we there now, you know. We are through 2019 to till now, you know. We are dealing with thick girls, you know, dealing with girls with heavy, you know. You see me? You see one heavy girl in that video, yeah? Me not see them don't shape good and them don't look good, but you see one heavy girl in that video. You see one heavy girl in that video? No. None at all. You understand me? But them still look good. You see me? Alright, go back through. Find back ugly man. Go through. Whoa.
Pool party.
Girl look like when I'm ex them though. Me not lie. That girl look like when I'm ex them dog. Got you.
To the beach, me have to reach.
A summertime. Here we go.
Summertime is
Here
here.
you know.
It's a holiday.
School is up.
We feel the vibes, you know. Summertime is
Addy, you can't tell me say bad girl that wine pan you so and you not you know I get a little. You see me bad boy now? You see me I say my how about that? She not have nothing there so man. Anyways, as me I say Addy, you can't tell me say through the whole video. She know what the whole 2 minutes and 48 seconds on that song here. She a go on so bad pan bad boy and bad boy na make one jump at the ramp. You must stand up on it.
summertime in a
Kingston, summertime in a country.
Summertime in a my city.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't know anything. Oh, hold on. You still there? Oh, yeah, man. See that? We do this. I'm going. You come here and say, oh. You see me? I said, we do this. Something that man. Yeah. People want to think of it. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. If you want me to react to more old Kartel songs, old Vybz Kartel songs, just drop the name them in the comment section because y'all know and see I read comments. You see me? I say on the see what I saw a while ago. So just subscribe to the channel. Keep subscribing. Thank y'all. You see me? I say we try to reach 10,000 subscribers this year. But first, make we go halfway now. You see me? Peace out.